Hi everyone, I'm Simon from the One Technical Support team, and I would like to explain you the M2Web Logo Program feature using an iframe. So we have seen that the M2Web Logo Program features allows you to customize the M2Web web interface with other images and style. But now, what if you want to embed this M2Web login page into your own website? And this is where this iframe feature of M2Web Logo Program is used. So first step, you go in eCatcher and click Account. You scroll down at the section M2Web Logo Program and click Manage. You can see that you have a button Generate iframe. You click that button and eCatcher generates for you an iframe. Okay, so this is the HTML code of the iframe to use. So you can copy that iframe and paste that in your own web page. So for example, I have a web page here where I have pasted the iframe at the place I wanted to have this login zone. And so when your page is ready, so my page contains other HTML code, CSS code, and so on. So when my page is ready, I just push that into my web server and I test it with my browser. So my website is called mylittledemo.com and you can see the result of the page here. Okay, so this is the page and you can see that at the place where I've pasted the iframe, I get this result. Okay, I get this login zone where I can just log in and then it sends me to the M2Web homepage with the list of E1 and so on. So you can see that I have also a customized banner. This is coming from the M2Web Logo Program skin feature that I've been seen in another video. And one last point, the iframe mechanism has been chosen only for security reason, just to be sure that we use HTTPS when you log in onto M2Web. Okay, just to be sure that nobody can see your login and password. Okay, even if your personal website use pure HTTP. That's it. I'm Simon from the One Technical Support team. Thanks for watching this video tutorial and see you next time.